Namaskaram and a very good morning. We have met a student and their father at the examination center recently, and they were in one of our videos as well. So Ashwini and their dad have come in here to meet us in person. Since they are here for the very first time, I'm showing you the entire process of how our consultation works so that it will be useful in case you are planning to come down as well. Good morning. So this is where we have Ashwini and their dad. So you might have saw them at the examination center, and you also have Srinath here who is talking to them. Yes, Ashwini, what's going on?
And we want to discuss the weightage for attacks.
Okay, so you are understanding how the process works.
Yes, sir. I've also seen the file AFM short notes.
You can minimize it, like zoom in for sure. As I mentioned, this is a syllabus. If you know this, there is Chartered Accounting as well. And the extended version of this is the index. So if you have one line summary for all the topics, it will turn into index like this.
Okay.
Yesterday, Mitra was talking about almost all the questions she was able to answer from an extended detailed index like this. So read for AFM and FR, the questions are unknown to you. Most of the questions are directly from that. So we just have to put the next amount of effort to go through this because it's already prepared.
Right.
And then by practicing all the questions, and even for IDT you can see it. Individually for IDT you'll be able to understand.
Summary.
So this is for processing. Now if you look at the institute module,
Right.
it's very bulky and voluminous.
Yes, sir.
You can't keep revising from it all the time. So you extract that and write it. It's like the moral of the story.
Okay.
So let's say going concern. Now you don't have to read that 4-5 pages about going concern. What are the top 3 sentences?
Right.
Once you read them, that will trigger the remaining content. So these are like trigger words or keywords.
This index mapping is done for all the subjects.
It has to be done. So we do it 3 times. Before starting the subject, and also in the middle of the preparation, and just before exams. So 3 times in your mind. It's like the complete revision cycle.
Once you have the complete picture.
Yeah. So this is the place where we would like to start the day. So 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. we will come and sit and literally start.
Yes, sir. Actually, very refreshing also.
Every morning we'll come here from 6 a.m. And this time we are planning to add compulsory yoga teachers. Last time it was optional.
Okay.
So some of them do, some of them don't do. Now this time we'll have a yoga teacher, and day starts with mental fitness 5 a.m. to 6 a.m.
Okay.
Evening 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. physical fitness. I'll show you around, but this is one of the areas where we have our magic of mornings.
Yeah,
So 5 to 6 and 6 to 9 is where you can sit and study here. So we'll have small stools, feeding stools where you can
Okay.
do that, and also people want, some of them want to study here, some of them study there.
Right.
So it's up to you. So before you begin your day at 9 o'clock, most of the work is already done.
Right, sir. And first session is very important for the entire
day. Because at 9 o'clock you'll be feeling accomplished.
Right.
Something is already done. So when you feel accomplished, the
the
rest of the day you won't have guilt. Because
Right.
the moment you wake up at 8:39 and then you're figuring out, by the time you get into the zone, half day is gone.
Yes.
And from second half of the day, I don't know whether it's meant for not working or something, but people keep losing focus as you go deep down. And probably late in the night, sometimes focus works. Like
Right,
9
right,
o'clock, 10
right.
o'clock, for some of them, after 9, 10, they'll be focused. But this 5 to 9 p.m., this zone is completely useless for most of them. That's the reason why we do discussions, exams and all of that in that slot. We call it revise and write raw. So less study and more revision, discussion, writing and all of that happens. So the whole day is entirely productively used. So
Right.
most of your work will be done pre-lunch only.
Right.
Let's say even if you stop before lunch, it still would be a great day and better than many other students.
Right.
So that is exactly how we operate. Our sweet spot is someone can get to 4 or something, because we want to complete 70% of the work before 9 o'clock. You can wake up at 4 o'clock. It slowly won't do that. Eventually we have reached 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock most of the students are comfortable, 4:50.
Right.
So eating lightly, probably at 6:37, early dinner if you have it. If you can sleep before 9:30, perfect time.
Right.
If you can sleep between 9 to 3, that's perfect.
And early risers generally can do at the morning.
Yes.
I'm usually
Yeah.
early riser. Even if when I wake up late, my thing is like, okay, I've wasted half of my day. Now I go into that guilt trip again. So
Yes.
morning time is very important for me.
So you understood this place, right?
Yeah.
I'll show you the rest of the place. Come on. You can keep this here. We'll come back and connect. So you can pause it while just a second.
For exam, I saw your video on YouTube. And the very next day, when I'm coming out of the examination hall, you're right front of me, starting the video and saying that you're taking up the students' reaction.
Right.
That coincidence hit me like, okay, this is something that universe wants to tell me that there's somebody who can help you. So from there, I understood that I have to come to you.
Perfect. No, probably this.
Even while we are coming today to write the exam, so we are just talking about the what the friends is doing. So it is completely, I am telling that it's completely a fake.
Yes, sir. You're right. Yeah, yeah.
It's nothing. So మనం అనుకున్నాం కానీ మనం చెప్పుకుంటున్నాం చెప్తున్నాను నేను పాపకి
Correct.
మన కిస్మత్ లా ఉంటే మనకు దొరుకుతుంది.
You're right. అంతే సార్. అది చాలా మంది పేరెంట్స్ అదే చెప్తారు. బేసికలీ వీఆర్ సర్చింగ్ ఫర్, ఇట్స్ నాట్ అబౌట్ ద పర్సన్, ఇట్స్ సమ్ ప్రాసెస్ లైక్ దిస్, సమ్ ప్లేస్ లైక్ దిస్.
They're actually
చిన్నగా లంచ్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి వస్తుంది, అంటే ఇక్కడే చేసుకుంటాము. అప్పుడప్పుడు కిందకి వచ్చి ఇక్కడే వెళ్తాం. వీ కెన్ హ్యావ్ లంచ్, ఓపెన్ లంచ్ అవుతుంది. దే కెన్ సెండ్ ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ అండ్ వీ కెన్ ఆల్సో హ్యావ్ ఇట్ రైట్ ఈజీ అండ్ వెల్. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ వేర్ వి గెట్ ఆల్ అవర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ రైట్ హియర్. సో జిమ్ is in the first floor. We also have some massage center over there. The students get experienced, they will come and visit there. And then this is a pool. So this is an open pool, and this time one of the physical activities also completed.
నిజంగా సార్
5 PM to 6 PM మీరు వాకింగ్ ట్రాక్ మొత్తం చూస్తున్నారు అది. టెన్నిస్ కానీ ఇది కానీ ఏదో ఒకటి. పొద్దునేమో యోగా అంటే మైండ్ కోసం, బాడీ కూడా పనిచేస్తుంది. బట్ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్లీ బాడీ షుడ్ ఆల్సో గెట్ టైట్. 5 PM 6 PM వచ్చాక ఒక 1 hour 2 hours చదువుకొని డిన్నర్ చేస్తే డే ఇంకా ప్రాపర్ గా కంప్లీట్ గా
కనిపిస్తుంది మనకు కూడా సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ లాగా ఉంటుంది.
ఇప్పుడు ఒక ఐడియల్ డే, ఇప్పుడు ఓన్లీ సెలబ్రిటీస్ ఇలా ఎందుకు, ద హోల్ థింగ్ పుట్ ఇన్ సమ్ లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫర్ట్, వీ కెన్ బిల్డ్ యువర్ లైఫ్ ఇన్ ఏ వెరీ ఎక్సెప్షనల్ వే.
అవును సార్.
సో దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్లేసెస్ విచ్ ఆఫర్స్ దట్. మనం ఇంట్లో ప్రైవేట్ గా పూల్ పెట్టుకోవాలంటే ఇట్స్ నాట్ అఫోర్డబుల్. బట్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దిస్ ఇట్స్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ దెన్ అదర్ అపార్ట్మెంట్స్. బట్ విత్ ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఆఫర్, ఎస్పెషలీ మనము వీఆర్ బిల్డింగ్ అవర్ కెరియర్. ఇది ఒక్కసారి వన్స్ పుట్టిన 6 months to 1 year సార్టెడ్ ఫర్ ద రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద లైఫ్ కదా. సో ఈ టైం అప్పుడు పీపుల్ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ ద హైయెస్ట్ లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ సపోర్ట్. మీరు ర్యాండమ్ ప్లేసెస్లో ఉంటే ఏంటి, ఎనర్జీ అంతా కూడా మెయింటెనెన్స్ కి, దట్ ఎన్వైరన్మెంట్ ఇస్ నాట్ కండ్యూసివ్ ఫర్ స్టడీస్. ఇట్స్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ లైక్ సైంటిఫిక్ రీసెర్చ్. ఎలా చదువుతారు, అంత ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్గా ఉంటారు కదా. యూనివర్సిటీస్ అని అంతే కదా సార్. ఇన్ని స్టూడెంట్స్ కి ఎంత పెద్ద బిల్డింగ్స్ ఎన్ని ఉంచుతారు ఐఐటీస్ అని. బికాస్ టు లెర్న్ సంథింగ్ యూ నీడ్ దట్ స్పేస్. You look at anything, IIT, IIM, ISB, any university, it's expansive, it's large, it's huge. Why are only CS students suffering in small rabbit holes? Why are they studying like that? So that is what we want to change. Something like this, the pressure should be completely removed out of your mind, where your energy and pressure is focused on studies itself. The rest of the ecosystem studies your supports your mind. This is something like that.
ఇప్పుడు అదే సార్, ఇప్పుడు మీకు వచ్చింది కూడా అదే వచ్చింది ప్రాబ్లం. యాక్చువల్గా 3 years ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ ఉంటే మీరు రాసింది ఆ ప్రెషర్లో బయట పోదు, ఇంటికి ఏం చేయదు. మెయిన్ ఎంత ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చిందంటే సార్, యాక్చువల్గా ఎగ్జామ్ రోజు, కరెక్ట్గా ఎగ్జామ్ రోజు ఆమెకి ఆ టెన్షన్ రెసిస్ట్ చేయకుండా జ్వరం రాని కానీ, స్మాల్ పాక్స్ అని, అది సంథింగ్ అంటే అంత స్టమక్ పెయిన్ సంథింగ్ వస్తుందండి. ఆ ప్రెషర్ డెవలప్ మెంటల్లీ.
అంటే ఎఫర్ట్స్ ఆర్ రిక్వైర్డ్ సార్. అంటే యూజ్లెస్ స్ట్రెస్ ఇస్ వేస్ట్ కదా. అది ఎందుకు పనికిరాని స్ట్రెస్ అండ్ దట్స్ కౌంటర్ ప్రొడక్టివ్. ఇప్పుడు ఇఫ్ ఇట్స్ హెల్పింగ్ దట్స్ ఫైన్. ఇప్పుడు స్ట్రెస్, ఇప్పుడు వర్కౌట్ అనుకోండి, జిమ్కి వెళ్ళి వెయిట్ లిఫ్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు స్ట్రెస్ పెడితే మజిల్ వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ స్ట్రెస్ వల్ల ఏం రాదు కదా. ఇట్స్ యూజ్లెస్.
చేయలేకపోతున్నాను, నాకు కాదా చేయలేకపోతున్నాను, నాకు ఇక్కడ మా ఫ్రెండ్స్ వెళ్తారు, అందరూ వెళ్తారు, నేను ఇక్కడే ఉన్నాను, ఇంకా నా జీవితం అన్నీ అది సంథింగ్ పిచ్చి పిచ్చి ఆలోచన అన్నీ ఆమెకు గుర్తు వచ్చి ఎంత బాధపడిపోతుంది.
అండ్ యూ ఆల్సో హ్యావ్ దిస్ అన్ని ఇన్ హౌస్ లిటరలీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్
సార్. నిజంగా సార్ చాలా బాగుంది.
బెస్ట్ పార్ట్ ఏంటంటే మా వాకింగ్ ట్రాక్ సార్. ఇక్కడ అంతా ఫుల్లింగ్ ఉంది.
వచ్చినప్పుడు చూస్తారు అందరూ వాకే చేస్తున్నారు.
ఇక్కడ అందరూ
అసలు బయట పోయిన అవసరం లేదు, అవసరం లేదు. మన ఇల్లు ఒక స్వర్గంలాగా ఉంది.
అండ్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ న్యాచురలీ హోమ్ గ్రోన్ ట్రీస్ సార్. మిగతా అవన్నీ పెట్టుంటాయి అపార్ట్మెంట్స్ లో. This is like a 20-25 years నుంచి ఇలా పెరిగాయి. You can make some space. So a lot of people keep walking. Throughout the night అంతా వాళ్ళు అంటే even for girls it's very comfortable. A lot of people stay here. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock కూడా ఏముండదు, సెక్యూరిటీ ఉంటారు కదా మొత్తం అంతా.
The thought is very good, sir. People like me are suffering, sir. They are not coming out of that group. First thing that you have to understand is that you need help. First thing you understand that. And again, the second most important thing is it is okay to seek help.
Like this.
It is okay to seek help. When I realized, okay, I need help, because what happens, what I was thinking, okay, today I'm not able to do it, tomorrow I will do it. Tomorrow will not come long. You need to seek help.
అది కూడా సార్ నేను ఏ రోజు నాకు పాప చూపించిందో నేను అనుకున్నా సార్ కూడా ఆయన టైంలో చాలా కష్టపడారేమో, అందుకే ఒక ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏం వస్తున్నాయి ఎలా వస్తున్నాయి అవన్నీ ఉండొచ్చు, అందుకే సార్ ఒక స్టూడెంట్ గురించి ఇస్తారు అని నేను ఆ రోజు చూపించాను. కానీ మాకు తెలియదు, మాకు నిజంగా మీరు మాకు దొరికిపోతున్నా అదే మేము అట్లా జస్ట్ అట్లా అనుకుంటున్నాం, మనం మాట్లాడి ఆ రోజు పెట్టేసాం యూట్యూబ్ చూసేసి ఆమె చెప్పేసి వదిలేసాను నేను చెప్పేసి వదిలేసాను. ఇంకా మనం ట్రై చేద్దాం కాలేజ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కానీ ట్రై చేద్దాం సార్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది అడ్రస్ కూడా వేయలేదు సార్, అట్లా ఏం వీళ్ళు ఎట్లా చేద్దామో అని ఆలోచించుకుంటే మేము రాత్రి
This is the process. The first 3 steps in it. One is people. Me or my team or rest of the mentors. For each subject you have a specific mentor. People. And at the moment you join, you will be attached to a study buddy who will study along with you for the same attempt. And at the top, it's like a triangle. You, your study buddy, and a CA. So you are a small team in yourself. Apart from that, each triangle will together have a bigger triangle, which we all will take care. So 1:1 student ratio, 1:1 mentor ratio, and apart from that other mentors, and then subject experts, everything. Like if you have to clear, there is no resource which you won't have, everything. And you can come empty-handed and go with a certificate. So that is exactly what we are looking at. And yesterday we shared this, for each and every student will have a group, and there will be a family group and all that. So Mitra's mother. So we made a complete video with Mitra and Asla.
Right.
What just happened? You saw that, right? So this is Mitra's mother and Mitra's father. So they were very happy with the efforts and all. So for each student, we'll have a family group or something like that.
More than the certificate, the blessings that you're gonna get through this, that is no, you cannot measure that.
So this is the people part. Process ఏంటంటే all the 5 steps. First, you fix your mind. Fixing is, it's like your mind is all over the place. It's not in the proper place. You just have to bring it back. And we don't want to improve you. We'll help you find yourself. Like you were normally fine. Something happened. Now it's hard for you to think clearly. So we'll first fix that. And then from there you'll be fine. People are fine. Nothing has to be done. But you just remove the problem around people. People are not you are not the problem. There is something which is around you. You remove that, you'll be fine. And the mindset part is just the thought level. What is focused, what is important is action level. See, let's say I've been thinking about a space like this for years. Now only when I take action, it becomes a routine. Now it is part of my routine. So similarly, you wanting to study is not sufficient. You actually studying has to be implemented in the routine part. So this is mindset and routine. Done. Next, learning part. So you can learn from reading or listening, book or video. So we'll be doing a combination of both, reading, listening and explaining. We make sure every day you explain something to someone. Only when you explain to someone, that is when you will be able to learn what. Because teaching someone is the best way to learn yourself. This is about it. And revision, every single day, revision is integrated in every hour. 50 minutes you study, 5 minutes you revise. 3 hours you study, 15 minutes you revise. Half day you study, again you revise. End of the day you revise. Beginning at the day you revise. Everything you have 5-time revision. So there is no way that you forget.
Yeah.
You know you don't know. There is no question of studying something and forgetting. That is removed. an exam presentation is like life is all about writing exam. When you write the main exam, it's one more exam. You're so tired and bored of exams, like you'll say, okay, one more exam, let's go and write. So that's
The pressure is
The
more
pressure is
than-
totally
Removed.
removed.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
absolutely. It's true, sir.
See, because people think, if you look at any Olympic game, at that 10-second race is not about it, right? You just can't be ready in 10 seconds.
Yeah, it's
It takes 10 years to get ready for 10 seconds. The exam is not for the 3 hours. Nobody fails in 3 hours. You're failing in those 3 months preceding the 3 hours. You're failing in the preparation
true,
itself.
sir.
So we are helping you prepare well. Now when you prepare well, you are prepared. You're prepared to write the exam. That's it. Nothing automatically happens in the exam. Watching a motivation video 30 minutes before the examination hall is not going to help you. But preparing for 3 months for this 3-hour exam, because that's the challenge. You work 100 days. The first 10 days is only for you to get accustomed and trained. So 1 month for group 1, 1 month for group 2, 1 month for revision of both groups. That's it. We're done.
when you are explaining, it's looking very simple.
It is simple, sir.
But when coming to practice, it's very difficult.
If you do it alone.
Alone.
If you have an ecosystem like this, maybe things
See,
get-
I did it alone. I'm being honest. I didn't have any mentor, right?
Yeah,
You
true,
can,
sir.
the whole equation of it is the process is simple, but to do what is simple is difficult.
It's
To
true, sir.
find
Yeah,
the
yeah,
simple
yeah,
one is
yeah.
always difficult. That is the problem. And second, it takes a lot of discipline. It takes a lot of rigor. For example, if you want to go from point A to point B, you're like walking. The walking is anyways difficult. It's not impossible. It is difficult.
Right.
But then, right now, there's an option available which is not available for me. Now, I found it hard, so I made this available for at least for the next generation.
Yeah, that's what I explained to her. sir. The same thing what you are told, just I explained to her. Same thing.
Because I cleared my CA in the first attempt. That's not the point. Civils have put in my heart and soul. I just needed someone who can slightly guide me. And all the coaching and stuff were commercial. I was not having an issue with paying money.
Okay.
But then they're treating me like an item or they're treating me like an object. Nobody was genuinely interested in what my problem is. Nobody is interested in problem solving. They're interested in admission. Come join, that's it.
Right.
I could pay 10 times of what they want. But the question is, they don't have interest in solving my problem really. They don't have that intent to solve it. They want one more student. It's not about me. One more student, one more admission, one more a free cycle process. That's it. So that is exactly what I always wanted to avoid. So we are focused on you. The whole thing is because, and we are not here to do charity. But the question is, we genuinely want to focus on the student. Now it takes what it takes. Because others pay their extend their attention 10,000 people. Some of them do for 1,000 people. Some of them do for 100 people. Now at one attempt we take only 10 people. So we focus only on 10 people. That's it. So that you can literally see. If you're working with 100 people, probably you'll do with 1% success. If you do it with 10%, you can 10 people, you can probably go to 100% success. That is exactly how we are operating. Sir, and Miku, looking at the ecosystem environment, let's say if you're keeping your daughter here, are you confident that she'll be here?
Absolutely, sir. I'm confident. I'm confident, sir.
Ashwini?
Yes, sir. I am confident on the ecosystem that you have built, and again on myself that I would follow that rigorously.
Just two people are required. One is a mentor and one is a mentee. If you're confident about both the persons, no, there's nothing which will stop you.
That's true, sir.
And you have been very, I would say from the day one when I met you, I also feel it. When you like something genuinely, as a founder, I respect the feeling. Because every time you meet, you're like, okay, we have someone who is believing in us. I keep discussing about you, like every single day, okay, Ashwini and my dad, we spoke yesterday, even yesterday I come back and say, they're also excited. It's good, right? Because we are doing something and somebody wants to become a part of that ecosystem and family. You're always welcome. So, what made you feel so connected much before we even met? Or
That's what, sir. Much before we met, like when I was seeing you on screen, and when I met you, totally different. When I saw you, people generally on screen think that maybe that energy will not be there when we actually meet them. But when I met you, that positive energy that just attracted, like, okay, that guru feeling, sir, I cannot go find my guru anywhere. The guru has to meet me, he has to meet me. So that thing came to me that I clicked, and that surrender thing I've understood. Okay, he's my guru. If I surrender to him, success is there. That one thing that clicked.
so November, are you ready for the challenge?
Yes, sir, absolutely.
Fine. So this is the non-academic part of your life. Now we'll go inside and have an academic. Then we can conclude. We'll shoot one more video.